So for me, it is always Indonesia and always will be Indonesia.
You'll be Indonesia. You're always in your heart.
Always in my heart.
That's really cool.
Yes.
That's really good. The meat so tender.
Ini namanya kalau di JS Luansa adalah gulai kambing Mevru Erna.
Welcome back to Henny and Hotel Podcast today. I'm so exciting today. I'm going to meet my friend Vivek, the General Manager of JS Luansa. Let's check it out. Hi guys, today I'm at the JS Luansa. Hotel ini adalah hotel bintang 4 yang terletak sangat strategis di daerah Kuningan. Let's check it out. Hi Vivek, how are you?
I'm doing good, Henny. Thank you so much for coming.
Busy day?
Hotels are always busy day then.
Always
Even though if it is not occupied with the guests, but I have my team to take care.
Wow. Yeah, I saw the restaurant downstairs is full of people.
Yes,
I mean the guests there.
yes.
So how's the occupancy hotel right now?
Right now, if I say like in 2025, we did a very amazing business. Though the Q1 was very challenging, but me and my team sales and all the team who was involved in the sales, we did close the year with fantastic numbers.
Wow.
Which actually gave a great impression to all the shareholders.
That's really good.
Yes, that's really good. And in fact, I'm so happy that my team is being rewarded for that achievement. So that is one of the things that I was always looking for.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
All right, what the biggest market right now JS Luansa have?
Now, if I may say, what the biggest market is the corporate.
Okay. That's the biggest one, yeah?
That's the biggest one.
All right.
Earlier days it used to be different, because when there are challenges with the government efficiencies and everything, there is always an opportunity for us to look into the other markets, and that is where we position ourselves. So we did a great planning, and we control our distributions, we control our rate strategy, we know where we are going. We tapped the huge business from the corporate sectors. We listed our hotels into some of the great accounts, and now we are dealing in the best numbers then.
Wow.
Because end of the day, if the numbers are coming from that particular segment that we are targeting, that dependency on only one segment is not there. So that is what I'm really grateful that I have a great sales team then.
Wow, that's really good. Hai guys, hari ini kita juga akan bertemu dengan Executive Chef Aditya Nugroho. Hai Chef.
Halo.
Kita akan berbincang-bincang mengenai beberapa signature food hari ini yang ada di JS Luansa. Wah, hari ini kita mau masak apa nih, Chef?
Ya, kita masak salah dua ya.
Salah dua.
Signature dish yang ada
Ada
di
signature.
JS Luansa, yaitu oxtail soup, sop buntut, sama gulai kambing.
Ini
Matang.
saya sudah mencium bau.
Ya, ini kebetulan
oxtail
juga
soup-nya.
baru bikin ya.
Ini kebetulan Chef Adit sedang membuat oxtail soup-nya.
Ini bisa dilihat, jadi
Seperti kita lihat, wow,
tampilan
Chef.
dagingnya nih.
Itu kelihatan tender sekali ya, Chef ya.
Buntut yang sudah matang kita tuangkan.
That's so beautiful, Chef.
Seperti ini, kemudian kita siram kuahnya.
Wow.
Kurang lebih 500 ml untuk satu takaran porsi ya.
Oke.
Dan kita finishing lagi dengan bawang goreng. Sudah jadi sop buntut ala JS Luansa.
Wow. Now we are at the Ambassador Lounge, right? Maybe can you share with me about this Ambassador Lounge?
Now this lounge, before when we build the hotel, we know that okay, there are certain categories of the rooms that need more privacy,
Okay.
that need a certain kind of experience where the guest will not get disturbed by certain things. Then.
Yeah.
Now we created this lounge to cater to the guests who are staying in our premier rooms, in our ambassador rooms. So for them, this is the lounge where they can have their breakfast, their evening cocktail and snacks, and also all-day open dining area then for them. And they feel great about this place because it is not being disturbed by any other guest. Sorry, not to say any disturb, but it is not getting any.
It's more privacy.
It's more privacy
Yeah.
for them then.
Yeah.
And most of the guests feel great about the
Comfortable
ambassador
zone
lounge.
here, yeah?
Yes, it's the comfortable zone for them. And while they are staying in here, they feel also being appreciated by the number of the you can say the room rate that they're paying. They also feel appreciated that they are getting back that kind of services then.
Yeah, so they can have breakfast, also have a high tea right
High
here, correct?
tea, and in case if they want to have their own private meetings, they can come up here anytime and have their
wow.
own private meetings then.
So this is open 24 hours?
It is not open 24 hours, but from morning 5:30 till evening 10:30 then.
Wow.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
It's very beautiful, and the
Yeah.
breakfast that we serve here, it is specially curated by the chefs. So this breakfast, the menu that we serve here is not the normal menu that you will find in anywhere anywhere in the hotel outlets.
Alright.
Then, so this is very specially curated.
It's more like custom, something like that.
It's more like customized, it more into the guest preferences. We have had a lot of guests who are regular to us.
Wow.
Sometimes if they feel that they want to have some special dish from the chef, and those are not listed, we do curate for them then.
Wow.
Yes, because for us it is more important that the guests who are coming here and staying in the ambassador in the premier
Yeah,
rooms,
yeah.
they should
pay
be
more.
also- they pay more, and they should feel that there is someone to take care. They should feel valued.
Yep.
And that is where our team play the important role to curate the breakfast menu, to make that kind of afternoon tea, coffee, snacks. That is not so much available in around this place. Then.
They also can order like a la carte if they want.
They can.
Like for breakfast,
For
right?
the breakfast, for any all-day dining, they want to have it here. And the menu is also very special, curated by the chefs.
Wow,
Yes.
that's really cool. And the view also beautiful.
It is like 360-degree panoramic view.
Yes. Such a nice
It's
place.
located on the top of the floor at the
Yeah,
20th floor.
wow.
And the best is the calmness that you will find over
Yep,
here. Then.
exactly.
Yes.
You cannot hear anything here.
Yes, and absolutely you can do a lot of great meetings up here. You know, people
yeah,
say
yeah,
a talk over coffee.
Yes,
You know, those kind of phrases comes true when you are in the Ambassador Lounge then.
Then sign the contract.
And then sign the contract, have a great deal in our hotel.
Selanjutnya adalah gulai kambing. Gulai kambing ini sama, isiannya hampir mirip dengan buntut, cuman kita tidak menggunakan carrot, kita hanya menggunakan tomat aja, irisan
Oke.
tomat dan irisan daun bawang atau leeks. Sama juga kita taruh dulu dagingnya
Wow.
secukupnya. Ini kombinasi antara ribs, kemudian loin.
That's so beautiful, chef.
Kita tuangkan semua. Yes.
Wow.
Dan sama kita finishing dengan bawang goreng. Ini namanya kalau di JS Luansa adalah gulai kambing Mevru Erna.
Wow. Chef, ini wanginya sangat strong. Guys, this is so
Aroma
good.
yes.
So creamy. And I try, I think today, yeah. And the meat so tender. This is really recommend. So Vivek, what made you choose hospitality as your career?
No, that's very amazing thing, you know, like my family background is more into the science, into the mathematics. Father was very amazing, you can say, he had a very great job in the government services back in India. My mother was a professor. My grandfather was a professor.
that's
Grandmother
really
was a
cool.
professor. But then what I believe is like there was always something called, you know, like welcoming the guest. That was in my nature since I was born. And then, you know, gradually I was more liking it. Gradually I liked the food. And then I choose this industry, and I went to one of the hotel management university, though I was the top grade there, and I was passed out with the distinction numbers. And then I believe that once I started in the hotels, you know, I believe that during those times I found that this is the right industry that I'm working, because it is the industry with the people, it is the industry with the emotions. It is the only industry that will give you the knowledge of so many things in one place. Let's say about the kitchen, let's say about the cleanliness, let's say about the hygiene, let's say about the engineering, let's say about the security. Then if we go in the all department, when we go in the top level, then it gives you knowledge into the asset. It gives you knowledge into the real estate. It gives you knowledge into the valuations. So there is so many things that gradually, you know, getting to understand them slowly. It's a vast industry.
Wow.
And the hotels are like a small city. Imagine that you're running a small city where you have your own sanitation system. You have your own security and risk assessment, where you have your own people coming in, but every day there is a different visitor coming in with the different mindset, with the different expectations. And this is the most challenging industry in anywhere in the world. and this is the most historical industry because the hotels was not just founded by someone. It is being done since ages.
Yeah,
You know, welcoming.
exactly. Yeah,
Welcoming the guest.
Yeah.
How we welcome in our home also to our guests, our friends, is like taking care for them. So those kind of things are is like one of the ancient industries. There are development going around, but it is one of the best ones then. So that's what I feel it challenged. I feel it so much amazing, and then I feel it like it is as per to my own philosophy. My own personality suits with this, so I was being attracted by this then.
Wow, that's really cool. Saya akan bertemu dengan Food and Beverage Director, Bapak Dono, JS Luansa. Pak Dono.
Halo Ibu, apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Sehat ya?
Wah, sehat-sehat. Wah, ini ballroom.
Ya.
Gede sekali. Capacity-nya berapa nih Pak Dono?
Kapasitas maksimum kita di 1.200 pack. Untuk wedding maksimum.
Oh,
Tidak
iya?
setting ya. Kalau sitting maksimum di 600 pack.
Oh, 600.
Ya, standing
baik.
itu 1.200. Maksimum sampai di foyer kita gunakan.
Wow. Terus ini juga bisa di-sekat-sekat juga ya Pak ya?
Bisa.
Oke.
Kita bisa
Capacity
dibagi
dari berapa?
berbeda-beda. Jadi square
Oke.
meter kan total di 1.178 square meter.
Oke.
Kalau digabungkan semua, kalau kita bagi dua, ballroom 1 itu bisa mencapai 500 pack
500 pack.
dan ballroom 2-nya 300 pack.
Wow, gede
Itu
sekali
untuk
ya.
standing. Kalau untuk sittingnya di 300 dan 200.
Sepertinya ini
Iya.
ada grup untuk meeting nih Pak ya?
Ya,
Apa
mereka lagi
sampai-
showing.
Oke.
Lagi di showing kan, nanti teknisnya mau di setup seperti apa.
Oke.
Mereka discuss dengan tim kami, ada MICE koordinator di mana dia yang akan arrange antara tamu direct langsung ke hotel kita. Nanti dari teknisnya dari MICE akan menuju ke tim operasional kami.
Operasional. Oke. Wow. Oke. Kalau di SCAT ini kira-kira totalnya untuk capacity-nya jadi ada berapa meeting room yang sudah di breakup? Dari
Sebenarnya kalau di
ballroom?
breakout itu cuma 2 sih di sini.
Oh, 2.
Untuk ballroom ini
Oke,
hanya
oke,
2
oke,
aja.
Oke.
Iya.
Oke.
Berikut dengan foyernya nanti kita separated pakai partisi biasa.
I see. Tapi ada juga yang small meeting room juga
Ada,
kan?
kita ada 14 meeting room
Wow,
di lantai
wow.
2 dan 3. Terdiri dari setiap floornya itu 7 meeting room, berikut boardroom.
Makanya guys, tadi juga saya kesini pas makan siang, coba di restoran, itu rame.
Ya.
Banyak sekali corporate yang makan ya Pak ya.
Betul.
Jadi meetingnya banyak sekali.
Betul.
Sampai 14 meeting room.
Betul sekali. Kalau kita full semua itu, semua outlet kami,
Kalau keisi semua nih,
baik di pool bar dan di chill bar
Oke.
itu full.
full ya?
Iya.
Oke. Oke, untuk sementara ini package.
Iya.
Mungkin ada special package.
Ya.
Mungkin viewers pengen tahu juga ya, kalau mau ada wedding gitu kan,
Oke.
ataupun meeting room di JS
Oke.
Luansa. Coba, mungkin Pak Dono bisa share ke saya.
Boleh. Untuk wedding kita itu start di 275 juta untuk 300 orang.
300 tapi ya?
Yes. Untuk 200 pun bisa, 100 intimate pun bisa.
Oh begitu?
Nanti tinggal
Kalau di bawah itu sekitar 50?
Bisa. Nanti
Oke,
kita alokasikan
custom
di
ya?
kita alokasikan di restoran, di Olam
Oke,
restoran.
baik,
Iya,
baik.
jadi kita nggak gunakan ballroom itu minimum di 200 pack.
Oke.
Ya, 100 pack itu kita taruh di restoran
Wah,
dengan
that's
harga yang
nice.
bisa dinegosiable kan.
Negotiable
Iya.
harganya. Jadi pemirsa kalau ada planning untuk menikah tahun 2026 ini, tahun yang baik untuk menikah,
Ya, betul.
ataupun mau yang ulang tahun ya Pak ya,
Betul.
mau yang meeting juga,
Ya, gathering dan lain-lain boleh.
semua bisa dicoba di JS Luansa
Spot
Hotel.
kita strategis.
Ya, tempatnya sangat strategis, Pak.
Banget.
Waduh.
LRT bisa, busway bisa.
Busway bisa.
Banyak customer yang juga akhirnya seperti acara rapat, meeting, kemudian yang just staycation di weekend itu memutuskan balik lagi ke JS Luansa dan menjadi langganan di kita karena memang saya yakin bahwa dengan makanan yang kita tampilkan itu masih memiliki daya tarik dan mengundang kita untuk kembali lagi seperti itu, ada seperti rasa kangen gitu.
Iya,
Kayaknya
iya.
memang kita
Karena sudah cocok dengan makanannya ya. Chef?
yes.
Guys, that's really good. The meat so tender.
Itu jusnya keluar dan menyatu kembali menjadi kaldu seperti itu. Jadi membuat rasa global semuanya itu jadi lebih strong.
Ini setapan buat corporate meeting.
Oke.
Ini tipenya tipe U-Safe. Bisa juga kita buat seperti classroom, teater atau roundtable.
Oke.
Ya, kapasitas itu maksimum kalau untuk roundtable itu di ruangan ini 200 pack.
200
Maksimum.
Maksimum ya.
Yes. Kalau untuk teater di sini bisa sekitar 300 sampai 400. Dan kalau untuk classroom itu di 200 sampai 300 pack. Maksimum.
Sangat luas ya, Pak ya.
Iya, betul.
Oke. Ini masih bagus,
Ya.
tapi katanya mau direnovasi.
Betul sekali.
Oh,
Tahun
ya?
ini kita mau renovasi ruangan kita karena hotel
Wow.
ini sudah menjalani 12 tahun. Jadi memang kalau setiap hotel tuh harus ada
Planningnya
plan
ke sana
untuk ada
renovasi.
perbaikan dan renovasi.
Berarti fasilitas-fasilitasnya nanti akan di-upgrade semua ya?
Yes, tahun ini kita akan mengadopsi beberapa teknologi terbarukan.
Wow.
Jadi tamu-tamu akan kita bisa fasilitasikan. Jadi selain juga kita ganti karpet, panel-panel, lampu lebih terang lagi. Jadi tamu lebih comfort untuk meeting di tempat kami.
Oke, that's beautiful. Chef, saya coba dulu kuahnya ini, Chef. Bismillah. So creamy, Chef.
The basic itu merebus daging itu kita starting dari air dingin. Ya.
Oh, ternyata dari air
Jadi
dingin.
sedikit bocoran.
Oke.
Karena logikanya kalau kita ketika merebus daging seperti mohon maaf as usual di rumah, gitu ya, air sudah mendidih, dimasukkan. Kita coba dengan anggota badan kita, misalnya kulit kita masukkan ke air yang mendidih, pasti kita langsung terkejut.
Wow. Itu saya hancur dong.
Pasti kita akan terkejut. Ya.
Sekarang saya dengan Mbak Tari, beliau selaku Marketing Communication Manager JS Luansa. Nah, sekarang saya mau ngebahas dessert. Everybody love dessert. Betul nggak Mbak Tari?
Betul, we need sweet things.
We need sweet thing. Exactly. So, Mbak Tari, tell me what is this?
Ini ada tape unti.
Tape unti.
Jadi tape ini dibakar, kemudian kita kasih garnish kelapa. Terus
Sama es krim ya?
Nice-nya ada coconut ice cream.
This is look so yummy ya. Alright. Ini ada kelapanya dalamnya ya?
Kelapanya hanya ditaburin aja.
Oh, hanya ditaburin. Let me
Betul.
try. Berarti rata-ratanya tape aja ya?
Betul.
Oke. Bismillah.
Jadi perpaduan antara hangat bakar kemudian dipadukan sama ice cream coconut.
Oh my god, guys. So yummy. Love this. Love this. Ini enak banget loh, Mbak. Ini one of the favorite one?
Betul. Kedua ini adalah signature kita juga di JS
Oke. Next kita bahas yang itu ya.
Tuh, selanjutnya ini
Oke.
ada
Another
puding
one?
srikaya.
Oke. Puding
Ya,
srikaya.
Betul. Puding srikaya dan atasnya ini ada tape ketan hitam.
Tape ketan. Oke.
Kemudian sini ada karamelnya juga dan jangan lupa ini ada sausnya vanilla.
Ada fla vanilanya. Oke. Try a little bit di sini. Ini jadi sayang ya kayaknya di apa namanya
Cantik.
dipotong ya. Soalnya cantik sweetnya. Bismillah. Wow. So tasty and nggak terlalu sweet, which is good ya. Karena saya juga nggak terlalu suka gula. Ini healthy banget. For the young generation right now, who don't want to have a career in the hospitality industry, especially in this hotel.
I would say is the passion. You know, if you are really passionate about the food, if you're really passionate about serving to the people, then this industry is the most welcome industry. And if you are passionate to speak up, you know, you're not a kind of an introvert person. So gradually, you know, the person that has to upgrade his skill.
Yeah.
And also the natural passion about serving the people. That's the most important. And because it's the basic thing to start. And I believe that nowadays the generations can do more better than us. You know, because
Yeah.
there are a lot of technology involved.
Yes, technology.
There are a lot
Yeah.
of education involved.
Exactly.
There are a lot of training involved.
Yeah.
So I believe that yes, these are the things that will matter a lot for them then.
That's really awesome. Wow, ini baru ini udah lembut sekali ya, Chef ya. Oke, cerai dengan sambal ulepnya. Bismillah. Guys, this is so yummy, so crispy. Wow, Chef, this is beautiful. Anyway, Mbak, ada beberapa promosi kuliah yang ada di JS Lumansa sekarang ini.
Oke, aku punya tips and trick. Jadi tamu-tamu yang
Tips and trick,
mau
alright.
staycation di JS Lumansa tapi takut kehabisan waktunya, pakai aja promo kita yang 24 hour staycation.
Oke,
Itu ada di
24 hours.
website kita.
Ada di website ya.
Jadi-
Websitenya apa nih?
www.jsluansa.com.
Alright.
Jadi misalnya Ibu Heni check-in jam 3 sore, check out besoknya jam 3 sore juga.
Wow,
Menarik
this is
banget,
fleksibel banget ya.
Fleksibel banget.
Wow.
Gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya Ibu Heni check-innya jam 5 sore, nanti check-outnya jam 5 sore juga.
Baliknya jam 5 sore lagi.
Betul.
Enak banget, Chef. Satu kali lagi
Kita
Chef.
kita punya pelanggan khusus yang memang benar-benar apa ya, kalau beliau datang beliau selalu minta singkong kota ini, yaitu Pak Karni Ilyas
Oke.
yang selalu syuting ILC di kita di JS Luansa. Jadi mostly setiap ada syuting ILC beliau pasti
So this one is one of his favorite
yes.
dessert di sini.
Yes.
Wow.
So for me, it is always Indonesia and always will be Indonesia.
Lebih Indonesia. They're always in your heart.
Always in my heart.
That's really cool.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Success for
coming.
you, Mr. Vivek.
Thank you so much. Thank
I'll
you
see
so
you
much.
around.
I'll see you around.
Cheers.
Cheers for the
2026.
26 then.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming here.
Oke, Pak Dono, terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih banyak,
Sukses
Ibu.
selalu untuk JS Luansa. And
you,
success for you, Mbak ya. Once again, I'll see you around. Sukses selalu,
Siap.
Sam.
Sama-sama, terima kasih.
Bye. Setelah kita meliput hotel yang sangat indah, sangat cantik, dan premier lokasinya, saya Heni, and I'll see you next hotel. Bye.